This is what Big Reaper looks like in a little car. Now, let's see the magic with Reaper getting out. Thank you. This should be fun to watch. Oh.
Fucking shit.
Oh yeah, that happened. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a bit of a different one. We are doing a bit of cleaning. Yeah, no, it's not going to be different, but it is different. We're down here at Reaper's shop, cleanmycar.ie, and we're going to give this a wash and a polish. So I'm going to take you on the journey of washing and polishing the car properly. So yeah, enjoy the video guys. So the car is outside. I don't know why he has it running. It doesn't need to be warm. So we're going to start washing the car with all the proper equipment and getting it clean before we start polishing. Here he is with all the stuff in the van. So let's get to it. Yeah, it's not too shabby for its first wash in about 10 years. Yeah, this is a TVR Series 6 half fake. I've never seen one before, but it's an absolute gorgeous car. It's a 2.5 litre V6. Sounds pretty sweet, sounds really good in the high revs, but we're going to let it dry off for a few minutes. We're going to bring it into the garage then, and we're going to start wiping it down and then polishing it. So Alice just putting all the stuff away there. We're going to get ourselves together and get it done, guys. Al's out here blowing again. He loves blowing stuff. Yeah, he's with electric leaf blower thing comes off the hoover. He's gonna hand dry the car so we can get it in quicker, because there's no point in bringing it in here and getting the floor all wet like it already is. But we will clean up so the car is in and we're not slipping all over the place. So yeah, leave Al to it, let him do that. So yeah, that's a nice little setup. All of his lights for polishing, all his equipment over there, all of his cleaning gear up on the shelves. Really nice tidy setup. So yeah guys, if you are in the Dublin area and you want your car properly polished, washed, shined, hoovered out, proper done, hit Alan up at cleanmycar.ie or hit him up on Instagram, Reaper's Rig. He'll do you a good deal. He's really good, professional, and does a really good job. So yeah, check him out on Instagram, check out his TikTok as well, and Facebook page, cleanmycar.ie. Much cooler with the roof off. Now it's time to start polishing this bad boy, see what she comes up like. The paint is very old and very questionable, yeah?
Very.
Yeah.
That's only me.
Yeah. Yeah. Al is very old and questionable, but the paintwork is in better shape than Alan anyway. But it is younger than you, so
Yeah.
yeah, just try. Let's get it done. Your finger technique is impeccable.
No.
Now, this is only the fourth stage of polishing, but look at the difference. Like, that's a serious difference in paint. Like, you can even see the line that you left there, where old, polished, fourth stage. Wow. Considering this is the other wing, it's so cloudy and old and mucky looking. And you can feel it, it's gritty, nasty. And you come over here, smooth, very smooth, nice. Alan's over there down one of the wheels. As you can see, they're very cloudy. So he has a little polisher on his drill over there. He's going to get rid of all this. So we'll do this as a before and we'll do that as an after. So we've been going at it for a while. So this is the driver's side of the car. As you can see, it's washed, paint's a bit rough, doesn't look the greatest. And then you come over to this side and look at the difference in that. Wow. You come over here. Reaper was saying the boot lid is a bit worse for wear, but he's gonna give it a good cut and a good polish. But look at that. Not polished and polished. Wow. Right, we're gonna keep at it, so enjoy. Bap, bap. Look at this daughter. You okay? You having a nap? Nap time for the old people. So it's 99% finished, just the glass to do. It's pretty mucky, but we want to leave that to last. We want to let the car dry off a bit. So yeah, it's a pretty good day, good finish to the car. As you've seen at the start of the video, the car looked crazy bad. The paintwork was proper, like dull, scratched, swirls everywhere. But the car looks 100 times better, as you can see. So we're gonna leave it at that, guys. If you want to hit Alan up, check his Instagram out at Reaper's Rig. You can also check out cleanmycar.ie. You can get Alan to do your car if it was as bad as this one. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Please give it a like, comment, thumbs up obviously, and subscribe to the channel. And give Alan some love. Instagram and his TikTok. And yeah, guys, that's it. It's pretty awesome how well the car turned out. Like, serious difference. You've seen it at the start, like, it's ridiculously good. And we still need to go over with a wipe, but for now, guys, that's the TVR all cleaned up, looking super, super clean. So, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one, guys.